Fire represents power. It is a source of fascination and provides energy and warmth. Tame this force in style in your own four walls. Treat yourself to something truly special. The new premium edition from Spartherm. Perfected functionality and design. Unobstructed view of the fire thanks to particularly clear glass ceramic without a visible frame. The hidden handle is fully integrated in the flat frame. The minimalist design is uncompromised. Premium comfort is also guaranteed. Do you always want to know when it is the right time for a new log? Panes which open as if by magic. Automatic control of the right amount of supply air. This is all possible with the app from Spartherm. Premium comfort even when it comes to cleaning. Simply unlock and the panes open up outwards. Our new premium fireplace inserts offer clean and efficient firing which is second to none. If you can control the draft or under pressure in the chimney, you can control the fire. That's why our secondary air module is the ideal addition to our premium fireplace inserts. It actively equalizes the pressure fluctuations in the chimney to ensure steady combustion. For a perfect fire experience. At Spartherm, we have been developing fireplace inserts to meet these standards for more than 30 years. We apply all our expertise to production and work to optimize the manufacturing process continuously. Precision down to the smallest detail. Quality you can see, and a passion you can feel. Our premium fireplace inserts combine an eye for perfect details and first-rate design. The premium edition from Spartherm, the fire company.